Good day. My name is Urrego. This presentation is for the class Technology Evaluation and Negotiation for the math. Understand it negotiation. Okay, problems to negotiate with technological products. Problem related to the protection of intellectual property. There are circumstances in Colombian legislation that prevent the knowledge obtained investigation from official entities from making the transition to the public sector. Problem related to value technology. The success of a technology negotiation process lies in ability of designing negotiation term to determine its contribution to strategic position of the company and the creation of value for shareholders. Hence, the importance that its members are culpable or measure the implication and propose alternative solution to points of conflict. Problem related to negotiation. Negotiation with non-legal products. These go through the same stage as any other negotiation. The same principles and strategies are applicable, although in the negotiation the upfront payments and royalties on the sales are specific. Okay, co-promotion and co-marketing. Definition: co-promotion. Two or more companies sell the same drug under the same trademark. This involves combining resources, in particular sales force, to promote the product under one name. Co-marketing is a marketing strategy where two similar brands of business combine their marketing efforts to promote the products or service of the other. This strategy aims to generate more visibility and sales by advertising to another brand audience. It's important to select a partner co-marketing that aligns with your brand's marketing goals and audience. Advantage: they can generate a royalty income. The customers will trust the product more. Exposure to a wider audience. Increased access to resources. Heightened credibility. Okay. Recommendation. It's necessary to highlight the different element. It's clear that competition is to grow from the local level as well as the international level. Customer service, the image of the brand that can impact and the added value that makes it stand out from others. It's essential to establish a relationship with the client, both in the medium or long term. This is an added value that helps to create, you can say, shopping lists. Focusing on product will help you find clients and potential investors. Seeing that you are solid with what you want to do with a low product with great potential. Okay, this video is end. Thank you.